Ma'am,
To page number 62.
which
Page
page number?
62. Page number 62, children. Our body. Now all of you in your nursery KG classes, you must have studied about the parts of your body, your eyes, nose, ears.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 62.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
आपको स्पेलिंग में लिखने की काउंटिंग में?
आलिया, अभी मैंने कुछ भी लिखने के लिए नहीं बोला है. Who is this? Page number 62 of your science book. Got it? Page 62, children, give me a thumbs up. All of you heard? Put your pencils down, everyone. We are not writing anything just now. Vani, put your pencil down. We are not doing any written work just now. Shanawar. Emma, switch on your camera.
मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन है. मैम मेरा भी कैमरा ऑन है.
I am talking to Emma. Emma, your camera is off, and so is Hania's. Okay, so there's a little rhyme given on page number 62. Page number 62 पर एक rhyme दी हुई है, एक छोटी poem दी हुई है. I'm going to read that. Put your finger there, all of you, and follow.
Ma'am, page number
62. 62. Okay. Two little eyes to look around. Two little ears to hear each sound. One little nose to smell what's sweet. One little mouth that likes to eat. Everybody's mouth likes to eat all the good things, nice things. Mummy cooks and you all like to enjoy it. Yes? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So we all like to eat good things. Now there are some questions given there, children. It says, how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? Vani? Yes, Vani? How many eyes do you have? Yes, Vani?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Very good. So all of you pick up your pencil now and write over there TWO2. Write there TWO2. TWO2. Give me a thumbs up when you finish writing. Okay.
बस मुझे आधे पौन घंटे पहले बता देना.
There's another question there. How many noses do you have? Hania? Hania, can you hear me? Now you tell me, how many noses do you have?
ठीक है.
Ma'am, 1.
1. Okay. So write there ONE1, all of you. All of you write there ONE1.
ठीक done.
Then the next question, Arjun. How many toes do you have? How many toes do you have? Now, first you will tell me, toes हम किसको बोलते हैं? How many toes do you have? Yes, Arjun? हम toes किसको बोलते हैं? किसको बोलते हैं, पहले ये बताइए।
पूछो उससे कहाँ।
Somebody's mic is on.
जो हमारी पैरों की फिंगर्स होती है।
जो आपके पैरों की उंगलियां हैं उसको हम टोज बोलते
मैम
हैं।
आपकी आवाज
वेरी गुड।
नहीं आ रही है।
जो आपके पैरों की उंगलियां हैं उसको आप टोज बोलते हैं। वेरी गुड अर्जुन। सो हाउ मेनी टोज डू यू हैव? अर्जुन।
वो भी बोला।
यस अर्जुन। 10. Okay, right there, 10 children. TEN, 10. You must have heard that rhyme जब आप छोटे थे। 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, वो वाली rhymes आपने नर्सरी क्लास में, केजी क्लास में सीखी होगी।
ये जो आपने सुना था वो मैंने बोला था।
आपने क्यों बोला? जब हम अर्जुन से पूछ रहे थे तो हमने आपको समझाया था ना, जब आपका नेम कॉल आउट होगा तब आपको बोलना है। You have to pay attention, children. Okay. Now moving further, our body has many parts. Let us read about the different parts of our body. Our body parts. Put your finger there, children. Each part of our body has a different name. All the body parts are useful to us. Useful means they help us in some way or the other. हमारे लिए हर body part important है, हमको help करते हैं. They help us to do different things. Now you can see the pictures given there. Nose, N for nose on page number 62. Then you have your stomach, S for stomach, E for eyes. Now on page number 63 you have all the body parts. Page number 63 you have a picture there that is showing you all the body parts. Now one by one I will ask you and you will quickly answer. Myra, name. On page number 63 you have the picture over there of a child with all the body parts mentioned. Okay, name one body part starting from on top. Shiv. Shiv. Shiv, can you hear me now? Okay, Path, can you hear me? शिव, मैंने आपका नेम कॉल आउट करा, आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं बिल्कुल. Name one body part. Look at that picture given over there on page 63. Name any one body part, Shiv. Quickly, जल्दी से एक body part का नेम बताइए, वो पिक्चर को देखिए. Eyes. Okay, thank you. Part. Name one body part.
Eyes.
Part. Can you hear me, Part? Okay, Arnav, name one body part. Okay, Ahmad, you name one.
Ma'am, hand.
Head. Okay, this is Arnav answering.
No, ma'am, Ahmed.
Ahmad. Okay, Ahmad. Thank you. Okay, Myra, the next one. Name any one body part quickly. Look at the picture on page 63. Myra, be quick, child.
Ma'am.
Mouth. Okay.
Mouth.
Vikhyat, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, quickly name one body part. Look at the picture of
Yes, ma'am.
63. Name
Eyes.
eyes. Okay, fine. Aradhya, you name one quickly.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, one body part quickly. Look at the picture on page 63. You have all the body parts mentioned over there. Look at the picture. Head, hair, eyes.
Ma'am, eyes.
Okay, eyes. Okay, Abdul, give me one. Look at that picture over there.
Ma'am, foot.
Foot. Okay, good. Rudra, give me one.
Finger.
Fingers. Okay, good. Hania.
Ma'am, ears.
Ears. Okay, Mustafa. Alia, stop playing with your phone. You are presenting, child. Stop doing that. Okay. So those are the different body parts given over there. Now I'm just going to read all the body parts that are mentioned over there in that picture.
Ma'am.
Starting from on top. Yes?
Ma'am, left over.
No?
Ma'am, left over.
There was some problem in the network.
Ma'am, legs.
Okay, lips. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to read all the body parts that are mentioned in that picture. Starting from the right hand side. Put your finger there. First is head, then hair, ear, nose, tongue, hand, leg, foot. Now move to the left side, children. Eye, mouth, finger. See, so many body parts. These are the body parts which you can see, children, which we can see and we use them also. Now let's look at the pictures given below on page 63. The first picture, in the first picture you can see a little girl. She is dressed up for school. She's standing in front of the mirror and looking at herself. And then she says, I am ready. अब उसको कैसे पता कि I am ready? क्योंकि वो अपनी eyes से देख सकती है मिरर के सामने खड़े होकर. All right? She is looking at herself in the mirror. Shanava, stop playing with your book. Put it down on the table and pay attention. All of you put your finger there. That little girl picture is there. I am ready. Now she says, I am ready. उसको पता है वो ready है क्योंकि वो अपनी eyes से देख सकती है. She can see with her eyes. We see with our eyes. We can see many things around us. God has given us eyes and we use them to see. Look at the next picture. There's a little boy over there and उसने अपने कान पर हाथ रखा है ऐसे करके and he's saying, Mother is calling me. Because उसने अपने कानों से सुना है. He can hear with his ears. We hear with our ears we can hear different sounds around us. We can hear all the different sounds around us with the help of our ears. Now, look at the next picture. Aradhya, what's happened? Put your finger there. Page number 63, the third picture, the last picture on that page. That little boy, he's eating something and he says, yummy. Now let us see which body part helps us to get the taste. हम जब कुछ खाते हैं तो हमें taste कैसे पता चलता है? We taste things with our tongue. All of you have a tongue in your mouth. Give me a thumbs up. Alia, please tell your sister to move from there. You are studying. You are in the class.
Wow.
We taste things with our tongue. अपनी टंग से हम टेस्ट करते हैं. We can taste if things are sweet or salty. हमें पता चलता है कोई चीज जो भी हम खाते हैं वो मीठा है या bitter है या salty है. टेस्ट हमें कैसे पता चलता है? With the help of our tongue. Okay? So tongues help us to taste things. We come to know the taste. Now turn the page, children. Such a nice smell. See, that little girl is smelling a flower and she says, such a nice smell. We smell with our nose. Emma, straight. We smell with our nose. We can smell good and bad smells around us. You can get all the good and bad smells with the help of your nose. And then the next picture, you can see that little girl, she's going to touch something and she says, oh, this is so hot. वो touch करके उसको पता चल रहा है. Our skin helps us to touch and feel things around us. हमें अपने आसपास की चीजें पता चलती हैं. We feel them with the help of our skin. Our skin helps us, children, to feel the things around us. We can feel if something is hard or soft. Now all of you touch your cheeks. All of you touch your cheeks. See, are they soft? Give me a thumbs up. Are your cheeks soft? Yes, because you can feel them with the help of your skin. So you know your cheeks are nice and soft. Now winters are coming. Tell mummy to keep applying cream on your faces. Then be very soft then. Okay? So now, today for your homework, you are going to read till here. These two pictures we have done. Okay, on this page and the other pictures on page number 63. All this you will read very nicely, very carefully. Now one more line I want to read over there. Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue are called as sense organs. इनको हम सेंस ऑर्गन्स बोलते हैं क्योंकि इनसे हमें चीजें सेंस करना आती है. We come to know, we can see, we can hear, we can taste, okay, then we can feel. These are known as our sense organs.
Ma'am?
Yes?
जब आपने सबसे पूछा था ना बॉडी पार्ट्स, तब मुझसे नहीं पूछा था.
कोई बात नहीं अश्विका, आपसे कल पूछ लेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यू डोंट नीड टू गेट अपसेट अगर मैम एक बच्चे से पूछती हैं दूसरे से नहीं पूछती हैं. हम लोग के मॉर्निंग से 4 क्लासेस होते हैं. हर क्लास में अलग अलग बच्चों को चांस मिलती है ना. एवरीबडी हैज टू गेट अ चांस. यस अश्विका, इन द मॉर्निंग क्लास मैम आस्क्ड यू. मैम ने सुबह मैथ्स की क्लास में भी आपसे क्वेश्चन करा था ना. So everybody has to get a chance. You don't have to feel sad, children. Okay? Ma'am is trying to give everybody a chance. and keep praying so that everything gets okay and we are back in school soon so ma'am can ask everybody questions and we can talk. Right? Got it, Ashwika?
Okay, ma'am.
Alright. Now, for your homework,
Yes.
remember, you all are all going to read this lesson very carefully, children. And you will also revise your maths. Tomorrow we will do mental maths. I'll be taking a test tomorrow in the maths period. Be ready with your registers. In the maths period tomorrow, be ready with your registers. Remember that. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Let's say our prayers. Oh God, I thank you for all the people and this beautiful world which makes such a difference in my life. Thank you for my school and for everything I learn here, to make me able someday to earn my own living and to live my own life with your everlasting guidance. Help me to understand a little better all the wonderful things which you have given to me. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Thank you and have a nice day, children. Bye, children. Thank you. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.